The leadership of the Lango Cultural Foundation has resolved to take legal action against their own daughter, Minister Betty Amongi, due to her failure to enforce a court ruling issued by Justice Philips Odoki last year. In the first meeting of the newly appointed cabinet of the Lango Cultural Foundation, the ministers discussed several pressing issues and resolved to take decisive action.
We have one particular person who has vowed through our actions to make sure that Lango is not peaceful as far as the culture is concerned. And who is this person? Is our own, who is the Minister for Gender, Labour and Social Development. She went and spoke in front of everybody that the Attorney General has given her a letter that the government is not accepting the ruling, the Odoki ruling.
The primary issue discussed was the refusal by the Minister Amongi to regazette Mzee Yosa Mudure Bey as the paramount chief of Lango despite a court ruling from Justice Philips Odoki issued last year. The ruling explicitly required the regazetting, but Minister Amongi recently publicly stated she would not implement the order.
There is no one who has got any order staying the execution of this judgment. She's acting out of the scope of the duty which the President of the Republic of Uganda has appointed her. And that is why we have resolved as a cabinet that she should be held accountable for her actions by filing a contempt suit to commit her to civil prison.
The Lango Cultural Foundation has stated that this delay has caused significant harm to the institution.
No, we are very unhappy about it. Government is supposed to be sending some money to support the cultural institution per month. On the insistence of this very same minister, we are not receiving anything. That's why you see us limping. There are so many plans.
Another major issue discussed was the tragic incident in Doklo district where an Acholi woman accused of theft was attacked by a mob and later died from her injuries. This event has exacerbated tribal tensions between the Lango and Acholi communities.
We are also saying that we condemn in the strongest possible terms the killing of this lady who happened to come from the Acholi area. But we want to call upon our people, and when I talk of our people, I'm talking about Langi and Acholi, that let us not tribalize this thing. Because I don't think this lady was killed because she comes from Acholi. That is our thinking.
The foundation clarified that this was an isolated incident and does not reflect the values or sentiments of the Lango community. They are also actively exploring strategies to address increasing criminal activities such as domestic violence, alcoholism and murder.
This is what is happening in Lango, and we are trying our best to see how we can address this issue.
The Lango Cultural Foundation is committed to resolving these issues and fostering justice and harmony within the community. Ediulwa, UBC News.